This is Vicki Walker on behalf of ExpertVillage. Today, for the purpose of our demonstration on how to make a butterfly seat cover, we have prepared our seams for a flat fell seam by sewing the seam, trimming the under edge to 1/4 of an inch on both the top and the bottom sections of the seat cover. Now I'll be pressing under the top portion over and around the 1/4 of an inch section that has been trimmed underneath, and I'm going to press that down, getting ready to sew a seam on top of that in a moment. Trying to be careful not to burn my finger. This is going to reinforce the seat cover to be sure that the seam doesn't unravel in the wear and tear that it'll be receiving as the kids sit in it. I can see that this would ravel if this treatment was not done. This denim is quick to ravel. Many fabrics are, but this in particular seems to be fraying on the edges. Then I'll do the same thing. This was the top portion, and I'll do the same thing on the bottom portion. And then we'll go back to the sewing machine, and we're going to top stitch right along the edge. That's the end of our flat fell seam demonstration as far as this portion of the pressing is concerned, and we'll go back to the sewing machine.